guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Esila. We are in Kirinyaga. We are going to visit a waterfall. Come with us. Welcome. Here I'm with my bro Sirour is here. Say hi. Back there is Wesley and Wendy. Say hi guys. So here we are. Let me show you guys. Here this is called Kambare. This place is called Kambare. We are going to see a waterfront. Let's go in a few. It's just here, a few meters away. Can you hear the sound of the waterfall? We have arrived. It's not very far from our place. So we are going to park here and then we go to the waterfall. Guys, be with us. Hiyo mimi iko chini ya maji, hii kamera. Sianze kama kamera zikitoka. So let's go and hike. Let's go. The kids are with Wendy. If you don't want to come, you can stay. I'm telling you, the place is very steep. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Wesley. No, don't fall. I'm telling you, the place is steep. Are you coming, guys? You don't? Heads up. Off camera.
Nenda wakadhiri.
So we are hiking, guys.
Hey.
This is Kiangwenyi. This is Kiangwenyi, guys. You can see the tea leaves on this side. Tea plantation on this side. And the waterfall. Well, don't fall. Guys, are you coming? They are not coming. They are scared. The place is very slippery because it was raining, but right now it's a bit warm. The rain has now we are here. The waterfall is here. you want to come and sleep here, you can see they have places. They don't leave numbers. You can come and sleep here by the way.
Atokorwo nĩ gatũramũthondekera wĩra.
There is another falls there. We will not go there. We will concentrate. I know people even go to swim, but the water is very cold. Kaale.
No come here. No come here. No come here.
It's very cold and nice. This is which river? Karote?
Yo pero Kabiri.
But the place is called Kiangweni.
Kabiri.
Huh?
Kabiri.
Katiri. Katiri is the place. Kiangweni is the area. In Kaale. You guys come and visit. It's a very nice place. You can go to swim. It's only that I don't have a swimming costume. Otherwise I would have gone to swim. But I'm scared. So let's go up, guys. So the elephants comes up to this place. They reach here.